VP, may kumakalat ngayon with regards sa health ni PBBM na medyo ano na daw, malubha na daw. Ano yung comment mo dito, VP?
Good luck sa kanya.
Madayaw, ugmayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome to the Araw ng Kagitingan commemoration of the city of Davao. As we commemorate Araw ng Kagitingan, we honor the courage, sacrifice, and unwavering patriotism of the Filipino soldier. We remember those who stood their ground in the face of overwhelming odds, who chose duty over comfort, and who offered their lives so that future generations could inherit a nation worth living and fighting for. Sadly, the state of our nation today reveals how we failed the Filipino soldier. The Constitution envisions a nation that is independent, self-reliant, and guided by a clear and principled foreign policy. Yet, in the absence of a coherent and truly independent foreign policy framework, our soldiers are often left navigating conflicts shaped by external pressures rather than national interest. This erosion of strategic direction weakens not only our defense, but also the morale of the Filipino people. At the same time, we are witnessing the creeping return of insurgency in various parts of the country. This resurgence reflects deeper systemic failures, poverty, injustice, and unfulfilled promises. Soldiers are once again placed at the front lines of a conflict that cannot be solved by military force, and bearing the burden of a struggle that demands political will and social reform. Equally concerning for us Mindanaons is the faltering of the Bangsamoro peace process. Justice, trust, and sustained commitment are absent. When agreements are not fully implemented, when communities feel abandoned, and the fragile foundations of peace break apart, it shall be our soldiers and the Moro youth who will pay the price. We must demand accountability from our leaders. We must insist on policies that uphold our sovereignty, protect our Constitution, and genuinely serve the Filipino people. We must ensure that our soldiers are not just celebrated in ceremonies, but supported in reality, with clear direction and a government that stands firmly behind them. Let us honor soldiers and law enforcement who died in wars past, and those as recent as last week, not only with words, but with the courage to correct what is wrong, to speak the painful truth, and to rebuild a nation worthy of sacrifice. Mga kababayan, mahalin natin ang Pilipinas para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at para sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Shukran.
Ito naman yung kay BBM sa Bataan, no? Ito yung celebration daw sa Bataan ngayong araw. Pinangunahan ni President Bongbong Marcos. Naka-live po ito sa sa GMA, sa ABS-CBN. Pero sa live nila marami po nagko-komento doon. Hindi ko po alam sa mga nagsasabi diyan na hindi raw ito ano raw ito, throwback. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong totoo sa kanila. Pero naka-live po ito, naka-live doon sa GMA7 saka ABS-CBN ng celebration sa Bataan na pinangunahan ni President Bongbong Marcos. Maraming nagdududa sa video, hindi ko alam kung ano ang totoo, pero naka-live po kasi ito, naka-live. Kaya bahala na po kayo kung ano po masasabi nyo dito. Dahil sa akin ito ay nakikita ko lang sa sa live. Marami nagsasabi sa 2025 pa daw ito nangyayari. Pero hindi ko po alam kasi kung 2025 parang napanood ko sa balita lang yon. Pero hindi ko alam kung ito ba yon. Dahil ito nga naka-live po na ito. Naka-live po ito kanina. Hindi ko po alam kung anong totoo talaga. Makapagsabi dito dahil yung mga dumalo dito ang makapagsasabi ng totoo. Dahil sila nandyan talaga sa kaganapan o kaganapan ngayong araw. Kung luma man ito, alam nila dahil sila nandyan, di ba? Pero nilive po ito kasi naka-live. Kaya na po magsabi kasi naka-live po. Basta ito ang kaganapan sa Bataan sa araw ng Kagitingan. At si VP Sara Duterte naman pinungunahan doon sa Davao City ang pag-celebrate sa araw ng Kagitingan. Si VP Sara Duterte po ang doon. Nagiging nila, nangunguna sa pag-celebrate. Ito si BBM naman sa Bataan. So silang dalawa ngayon ang nangunguna dyan sa selebrasyon sa paggunita ng araw ng Kagitingan. Comment nyo lang po sa baba